Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we're going to be sharing how to make some pockets, or actually a junk journal or a folio from one sheet of paper. I've done several projects with this sort of theme, but I wanted to use one of my newest suite, and I thought this project it will be suited it best because it will showcase the paper in a really nice way. Also, you can make these as a scrap busters because you can cut the papers into small pieces and use to decorate the folio. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today we're going to play with these. Not complicated, it looks complicated but it's not. Super easy peasy lemon squeezy. Keep watching guys. So I was having a bit of a play. I love playing, I love experimenting. So this was my original design, but I was just playing with paper. I'm not inventing anything. I don't need a Nobel Prize. I don't need an award of anything. I could just simply play with paper. Kind of liked it, but then I wasn't really keen on the shape. I wanted to achieve more like a diamond shape. Then I kind of like decided no, it was too much, so no thanks. Then I was playing with this one, which is I'm more happy about. I just remember, I need to remember what I did. Simply guys. Right, so I'm hoping I'm doing right. So this is just a 12 by 12 cardstock. I don't know what color you think it is, but in reality it's more like a very salmony pink. I think on camera mine looks a bit orangey. Now because this is a cardstock, it's not gonna fold perfectly, but as you guys are aware, in this channel we don't care about perfection. Okay, so we just care about having fun and trying new things. So okay, so I fold it in a half, so that's my triangle. Okay, so then what I did, I measured 5. So this is the triangle, okay? So measure 5 inches and 5 inches on each side. So I need a pencil. There it is. So let's measure 5. There. And 5 there. Okay. So, and then what I did, yeah, so I folded, what did I do? So yeah, so that's the 5. Yeah, so I folded to the 5 like straight down there. Yeah, so I think I've done that. I'm hoping that I remember what I've done. So yeah, so measure 5 and fold, and then do the same on the other side. So that's the 5 guide, and then let's fold. Perfect. And then we lifted the corner up. So I think I left about that much. Yeah, because I still wanted to have a square, like a rectangular shape rather than in a triangle shape. So I'm just hoping that is straight, and then we do the same on the other side, so we match that fold. Okay, so just to recap, let me move this out of the way. Okay, it's now gone on the floor. So triangle, so actually let's start from the very beginning. Square, fold it in a half, measure 5, fold, and then eyeball it with your eyes, depend what you want, then fold it like that. So you've got this really nice rectangular shape with the really nice corner. Then you open it up, and then you will have this. So when you open it up, keep the 2 triangles on the back, so you get this shape with the 2 triangles on your right and on your left, and then you fold it inwards, and then you refold it again, so you get this really nice shape. Okay, but what I like about this is the corner. I really like this fancy corner, and I like the fact that it's basically a little book, because you open it like that. So those two, so if you put glue in the middle, you can have a pocket there and a pocket there, or you can simply glue each other side, and then you have a bigger pocket, which that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put, so this is the triangle. I'm going to put a tiny bit of glue, if it's gonna come out. Is it coming out? Let's have a look. Yeah, so it should be coming out. And then there. And then we do exactly the same on the other triangle. I'm just going to put the glue on this side. But you guys can do exactly what you want. So if you put a glue in the middle, you'll get pockets on each side. It's totally up to you. Okay, inside, we're just going to put the glue in the middle of the triangle there. Because in this way, guys, we're going to get 2 pockets on each side. So some in there, and we do exactly the same on here. And then you flip it over. If you fancy, you're good with sewing machine, you can simply sew it, just put it through your sewing machine and then do a stitching. I think it will look quite nice in there. So now what am I going to do, guys? Because I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to decorate it and then decorate the pockets. But yeah, you got to press it a bit. But what you can do, if you put through an elastic or something in here in the middle, you can create like a banding, so you can put your journal in there. So you can, do you know what I mean? So if you tat it like that, you can put, this could be your signature, you can put papers in it. But I'm only going to use this as pocket. Okay, it's because I'm bothered about those 2 side pocket and the pocket outside. I'm not going to use that as a booklet, as a journal. But if you stitch it and then you put your elastic, you can put papers and create basically a journal. Okay, so what am I going to do to decorate this? I am super pleased to show you one of my newest kits. Is called the Sweet Garden, because there is a lot of birds and they like sweet things. Also, I think they do. So 7 pages. So you got this one, and it's all pink. Majority is pink, salmon and blue colors. Okay, so you got 1 page there. You got this one here. Look at this page. Isn't just fabulous? Love it. I love pink and blue together. I think it works really, really well. Then it wouldn't be my kit without any gift boxes. So you got a really nice milk carton box. You saw me making tons and tons of this, and I love it. So you just simply cut it. But I'm going to do that for you and I'll show you what it looks like. And then you've got another paper here. So this is a total background. And then a page with some lovely tags, which I'm going to use that now. And then another fabulous background when you get your birds and you've got some butterflies. Again, really nice pink and blue, and I think it goes really well with this. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cut it, creating pockets, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all nice and finished. Okay, guys, before I show you the album, let me show you the milk cartons that we done together. So what I simply did, I glue it on a stripy cardstock. So I made it very nice and strong, and then I use one of my, sorry, I got glue everywhere, ignore my hands. So I just put one of these little colorful pegs, and I put some of the sequin flowers. So as you guys know, that's 2 by 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5, so it's like a square. We've done loads together. I just got some here on my desk, so I thought bring it all together so you can see different variations of these. We've done this one together with the Tim Holtz dolls, and this with a recent VIP kit for Easter. I got Easter project coming up next week, so keep an eye on it. It's coming along. So yeah, so that's my mail carton so far. I just love them, guys, because they are fabulous gift boxes if you want to put anything that isn't too big, or little favors. And also if you do, you can use them as decorations for tables or favors. You can either do like a group of 4 on a little basket, or a group of 6, and you make like a little weird basket, like paper baskets. Oh, love them. So let me put them on the side. So let me show you the album. So this is the front. Okay, so we got a pocket there, and I put some of my folk stamps. I'll use some of my old projects, and everything I've done, I'll put a link down below so you guys can go back and reference. So I made this myself using one of the old VIP kit. Really fun. Love this mini for stamps. Then it opens in the middle like that, so you've got the pocket, and I put here my hidden paper clips, so they open like that, and you've got more stamps in there. So again, I got a project or these paper clips, the hidden paper clips, and I got another one here on the top, and it opens like that, and you got more little stamps. And then on each side, of course, because you've got the 2 pockets there, I just pull the tags together. Look at those tags. I mean, not to brag, but I absolutely love them. I have used different print, put some birds, alter the colors, layer them, and created these super fab. And I put on the back of some stripy cardstock just to make it a bit more steady. But yeah, so there's those 3 going in here, and we've got more with more birds. The reason why I call the sweet gardens, because I don't know, to me, I love blue and pink together. It reminds me like a sweet packaging, but also there's a lot of florals and there's a lot of birds, hence why I call it sweet garden. And I've used 2 of the backgrounds paper to decorate the pockets, and that is the back. And then you've got another pocket there when I just put some more of the folk stamps. Then we did it together. So before we go, I just want to say Ramadan Mubarak to all my lovely Muslim friends, and also just wanted to do a shout out, and my usual comment shout out today goes to the lovely Chris. Chris is one of this lady that honestly, she ever so sweet. She always take her time to thumbs up and leave a comment, and she asked, I put a comment here on the screen. Chris has asked when you guys can see Jamie on the screen. Well, me and Jamie barely had a day off together. It happens very, very rarely. Like last week, for example, he's been off all week for work. He got back, well, you watched this on Monday, but he called back yesterday, which is Friday. I filmed this on a Saturday. No, in fact, I think I don't know when you see this video, but anyway, weekend off, some crafting. Anyway, I promise, guys, you will see Jamie in one of the videos at some point. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. As usual, it really helps the video and the channel doing well. Also guys, don't forget the Sweet Garden will be on sale until end of Thursday. So if you want to buy the kit, just do it now. There is my neighbour there, I can see him. Got his rubbish out. Hello Dave. Yeah, so the kit is on sale until Thursday. It's a minis sale to celebrate spring, and it will be back to full price basically on Friday. There is a little video I've done very similar to this sort of project, and I showed you how to make from one sheet lots of pockets, and I will put the link somewhere here on the screen. So if you watch it from an iPad or Android, just simply click on the video to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.